The following question reads that the graph shows variation with mass of the weight of objects on a particular planet. So mass is becoming greater, so is the weight becoming greater. So what is the value of acceleration of free fall on this planet? So acceleration on this planet is basically the gravity of this planet. So we need to understand what is the relationship between weight and mass. We know that W, weight, is equal to mass into acceleration. So let's call that A. So we can, since it is a constant, it's a linear graph, which means that the relationship holds true for any point. So we can pick any point, any two values, and we can put those values in here. For example, we can pick, if we have a mass of 2 kg, and if we trace this line over here, you will notice that this line reaches somewhere at I think it's 3.2. So we know that for a 2 kg mass into A, substitute the values, W comes out to be 3.2 newtons. So if I make A the subject of the equation, get this 2 kg from there, divide this by 2 kg, acceleration comes out to be 1.6 meters. So acceleration would come out to be 1.6, and it's going to be meters per second square. So the correct answer is going to be option B over here.